YouTube creator, check his thumbnail. Wow, very good. Just check them. High quality, attractive virality. Just check them. Now imagine typing a video idea and instantly getting multiple high-CTR thumbnail concepts in seconds. No Photoshop, no designers, no hour wasted. That's exactly what this Thumbs AI boost does. This machine is the greatest AI thumbnail tools I've seen all year. Whether you're a faceless creator, gaming channel, whether you have a documentary channel, or just tired of low click-through rates, this AI will make stunning thumbnail with a simple click. You can turn simple text into thumbnails, upload any image, and let AI optimize it, generate reality YouTube style facial reaction without filming yourself, and even clone the visual style of top creators with one click. And honestly, some of these results look like they were made by professional thumbnail artists charging hundreds of dollars. So in this video, we are testing every major feature inside Thumbs AI to see if this is the future of YouTube thumbnail creation or just another overhyped tool. So let's go.
Okay, here is the homepage of Thumb.ai. You can see you can get more clicks with Thumb.ai, optimized thumbnail, and Thumb.ai gives you the opportunity to stop guessing and start growing. Generate high CTR thumbnail from text or photos in seconds, and it is tested by AI design for AI design for creators. And of course, it's a thumbnail design assistant that helps YouTube creators generate text, and optimize their video thumbnails with AI. And has a lot of features like text to thumbnail, image to thumbnail, YouTube face generator, and you can clone any thumbnail from any channel. Okay, this is how the homepage looks like, and you can see all other thumbnails which they are able to clone with use of AI. I see you can imagine existing covers or generate new ones from scratch, upload it photos and to overhaul the design, and let the AI create a viral masterpiece. And you just a simple prompt. You can clone clickbait thumbnails. You can replicate the visual journey of top creators. You can use top creators thumbnail and recreate them all in one AI YouTube thumbnail design suite, text to thumbnail, image to thumbnail. Then you just need to sign up, link in bio. You can use that, and when you get to the dashboard, you can see the explore dashboard. There, once you log in with Thumb.ai, you can create thumbnail, you can recreate as a downloader. You can see everything here. There's a create thumbnail, text to thumbnail. Let's try this right now. Let's try our text to thumbnail. You can put this interface, you can enter your thumbnail prompts, you can describe your video. Let me enter my thumbnail prompt over here. I have a thumbnail, I have a prompt. Let's see this right now. Can we add our face? No, let's leave it optional. Choose a reference style. Let's see if we can choose a style. Let's see our reference style. Let me say this studio lights. I want my thumbnail to be for YouTube long 16.9, not for short. I want 2 variations, which is going to take 4 credits out of my credit. Okay, selected that. I'm not putting any face of anybody. Okay, let me see if I can add some photos. Add my photos. Add some photos I took. Add this photo. Let me see. Let's see if we can optimize, and I'm optimizing the image. Okay, it has sharpened the image. Let me see. Choose an emotion. I don't want to choose an emotion. Then can I choose another? Open another. See if I use this face. Let me see. Add more photo. I'm gonna add 6 photos. If I use enter a name. Okay. Let me upload. I want to add 6 photos. Okay, add 6 photos. Let put my prompt name back. Okay. Let me use this prompt right now. Let's see. Okay, we've chosen our style. Okay, let's generate maximum support for 2 faces. Okay. Let me choose only 2 faces now. Let me generate and see. Let's see what it will give us 2 options.
A few moments later.
Our first image it gives us. This is what it gives us. Okay, it's quite okay, but it keeps repeating the faces. Let me see the second option. Okay, the second option is better. It's better. You see, it's better. It's a little better. Okay, let's click thumbnail again. Let's go to the. This is we use the text to thumbnail. Let's try another text. Let's try another text. Not putting any face, only text alone. Let me choose 2. Let me see. No face and all that.
A few moments later.
First image. Wow, this is great. It's great. Let me wait for the second one to load. See the second one. Wow, this is fabulous. Okay. Okay, now let's take a thumbnail from the YouTube link. Let's try this one right now. I have one here. Let's take a thumbnail from the YouTube link and let's try it. Let me grab your thumbnail. Okay. Let me try this. Enter your prompt. Okay, enter my prompt using this. Okay. I don't need to show my face. Let me generate only one. Let me see.
A few moments later.
Okay, let's see this. This is better. Okay, this is better a bit. Okay, we'll clone that. And that's all. So many styles you can clone here. Let me try another one. Another style. Okay. I can now. This is a thumbnail for my YouTube channel. Let me see if I can add another person's face. Yeah, let me add this guy's face. Let me choose the style. See.
A few moments later.
Oh boy, you see, this is what it gives us. It changed my face and placed this other guy's face here. This guy is an American football player. Place his face over there. Clean, simple, very perfect. You see. Let me put another. Let me see the downloader side of this thumbnail. You can download anybody's thumbnail. Okay, let's say we want to download this thumbnail. You can just take the link and you can put it here. Extract thumbnail. You want credit. You can extract in badges. You can put as many here over here and you extract the quality 4K or original JPEG. Let me extract this. Let me extract this thumbnail. See, to download the thumbnail for you. If you download it, you save it in your device. Let's see face and emotion section. Okay, these are the faces and emotion. You can add your face also. You These are the faces I placed, I uploaded to use. You can, or you either use, you can change their emotion. Let me see. Let me use this man is laughing. Okay. You can change the face. Okay, let me use this. This is, yeah, let me make him smile. Okay, let me see. With this you can be able to change the emotion of any image. You can make him angry, you can make him hype, you can make him look shocked, smile and all that. As you can see, it has changed the emotion of that man. With this, let's try this other guy as well. This, let's make him shocked. Okay, let me make him shocked. You can see, yes, you can see it has changed his face, mood, emotion. So everything about Tom.ai is very good. If you want to go create thumbnail, image to thumbnail, you have placed it. If you want to do text thumbnail, image to thumbnail, they are always there for you to use to create outstanding thumbnail for you to use for your YouTube.
So after testing everything, Tom.ai is honestly one of the fastest thumbnail workflow I have seen for creators. Whether you struggle with design, run a faceless channel, or just want higher click-through rates without spending hours in Photoshop, these two can seriously speed things up. The AI thumbnail generator, face creator, and channel style cloning are probably the biggest probably the biggest in the game, and the game changer here, especially for small creators who are trying to compete with top YouTubers. So if you want to get access to this tool, to make sure you use the link in the description below to sign up now. And let me ask you a question now: would you actually use AI to make your thumbnail, or you still prefer designing them yourself? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you have enjoyed these videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any new video and future AI tools and YouTube growth content. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.